Good day to everyone. How are you? All fine. Uh, Today we make this loop ring, wire loop ring, a very simple pattern, easy to make. Or let First of all, I will introduce the tools to you people. All this finger size. We can take our finger size. This double nose plier, double round nose plier, flat nose plier. This is a cutter and plastic hammer, and also plastic ring size. Uh, the material we want to use in this type of design, only we will take 20 gauge brass wire, a very simple pattern for this. First of all, now we will start making it. Hope you people will enjoy our video. First of all, we will take I will take my I want to make this pinky ring size. First we'll take ring size. See what size will be comfortable for me. I think this one. No. Also, yes, I think this one is perfect. Yes. Once again, I will also take small size. Yes, this is also good. Then also small size. No, this fitting. The last big one is better. It is 20 gauge. 20 size. My size is 20. Size. Okay, final. First of all, we will take wire. For this size, we will need only 77 inches wire, brass wire. That's it. It is sufficient for me. Only 7 inches. Fine. Yeah. Now we will take both ends and try to wrap very gently. Make a loop on the both ends like this. Because for this help, flat nose wrap, we will make it more better and near, so there is no gap in between. Looks like this. And now we are making a loop like a one, like this. Very simple pattern. Now the second end. In opposite side, like this. You can see. By the help of flat nose pliers, we will fill the gap in between. Yeah. Also, we use this plier The difference between in both these pliers, flat nose pliers, it has no teeth, and this will have teeth. This will help in gripping the wire, grab the wire. Like this, I can by finger putting pressure and making a loop. Easy, very easy way. We will also see the loop are in same size, not too different. Now I see there is a 2.5 inches length is left over. I will check it. Yeah, less than 2.5. 2.5 to according to my finger size. Then I will take this metal mandrel and gently put this on my finger here and wrap the round. Both round. Yeah. I will see. Now it is time to check the size, my finger size. 20. Where is it? 20? Yeah, here is a 20 size. See here, I put pressure. Yeah. That's fine. Oh.